Okay everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying error on Windows 11. It's very easy to fix and there are 3 different solutions you can try. Okay, the first one is go into search here, type in CMD, right click on command prompt and say run as administrator. And from here this will come up, type in sfc/scan now. And basically wait for a full system scan, wait for it to reach 100% and see if this will fix the problem. For many people this will fix the problem. The next thing you want to do is go into the start menu. This is solution number 2. Type in services. Now from here you want to scroll down until you see game input. Game input service right here. You want to double click on this. And from here, you want to change the startup type to disable. And then hit OK and hit apply. Now, after you've done that and it still isn't fixed, what you can do is open the start menu, search for adjust appearance and performance of Windows, click on that. From here, go to advanced, and from here, you're gonna see virtual memory. And click on the change button under virtual memory. And from here you want to click on this little box next to automatically managing page file size for all drives. And then when you're here you want to click on the custom size and you want to type in the same numbers right here. So you want to type in 16 and maximum 4955 and type in set and type in OK. And hit apply and restart your computer and see if that fixes your issue.